Good evening, everyone. My wash machine is running in the background because I had a little incident this evening. My daughter comes over to my house on Friday nights, and usually she takes a shower here and everything. Well, she is pregnant and she had had the flu and is coughing. So, any of you ladies that's had babies and everything knows what that means. So, she had a leak pad on. Well, I usually wash her clothes when she comes over here and takes a shower and everything. And she had one of those leak pads on. And I did not know it and put it in the wash machine with all of the dark clothes. Okay, I Googled and looked on TikTok and everything else, how to get this out of my wash machine and off my clothes. To no satisfaction. Um, well, for their remedies. So, I tried to come up with my own. And ladies, I found the remedy. Scrub Daddy makes these sponge dust things, and you get them wet. And I knew they was good for like felt material and stuff like that because some of my clients use CPAPs and they'll have them sitting on felt on top of the dresser not to mess the dresser up. And I use these to clean the felt material with. So I got this out and proceeded to clean the clothes. And it worked. It got little white balls off of my clothes. So just so I would share, I am now washing a few of the clothes that were cotton, like gauze material pants that I wear at night to sleep in. So it kind of stuck on that, but I put some salt in the washing machine and some vinegar, and we'll see how that turns out. Maybe I'll do another video if it actually gets it all off. If not, I'll be trying to figure out something else to get it off this gauze clothes. But you ladies have a great evening, and gentlemen, you never know. You may be washing clothes for your wife and find yourself in the same situation. But you guys have a great evening. God bless you.